8.17. Look at the spreadsheet in figure 8.39, this one, and the function used to calculate the username of the student in the school. Okay, so we have used over here upper right. So what we've done over here is from the from C2, which is the year, we have extracted his two characters from the right, and from the left of A2, which is the forename, we have extracted three characters and we have joined it with the surname. Okay. Describe what the function does and how the username is formed. Just told you that. Calculate the username for each of the three students. Well, obviously this will be 13. Okay. And then you are getting is HA, HAR, and then obviously from the left of this, you're getting is SIM. Okay. Right, because we're concatenating using this. This will join all these together. Write a function that will work out the email address. Their email addresses are this, where the surname is the first initial of the forename, and YY is the last two digits of their year. So again, same way, what we have to do is, for example, if I is the first initial, okay, first initial of the forename, so we will use over here is left, comma 1, and okay, so we'll use is equals to left, comma 1. Then we are going to concatenate this surname is the surname, okay. Okay, sorry. We are going to, first of all, going to get the surname, and we are going to get left, comma 1 of the surname, and then we are going to get is our forename. Okay, so the YY basically is what? YY is your year. So we are going to get the last two digits of the year, okay, 13, and then we will use ampersand to concatenate with at the rate of text function school.edu. But remember, at the rate of text function.edu is going to be double quotes. Okay, so I'll just tell you how it will be. It will be something like this. So it would something be like this, is equals to, if I need to extract this, I is the initial, first initial of the forename. So we'll use is equals to left, and we'll refer to, let's say, is A2, comma, with first initial, and then we'll concatenate. Okay. Right, this the email address is a surname. Surname. But obviously this has to be concatenated with the year. So you can see over here is we have dot. So we have to put the dot and then concatenate again. And we are going to get from here is right of our C2, comma 2. And again, this is going to be concatenate with at the rate of text function school.edu, and we are going to close that as well. So this is the way this would go, right?